They say we are what we feel like, but I also think it's who we eat here.
Good.
Well, the best conversations have started over coffee and ended with us, just not at anyone.
Exactly. I have seen strangers bond over the second serving. ले लो और ले लो थोड़ा. अच्छा ही बात है.
You know what I feel like? Set festivals, not just another date on the calendar. It's a time for us to recalibrate our emotional compass from our daily grind and all this deadline. It just gives us permissions to forward react. Absolutely. लेकिन वो लगता है कि हम लोग सारा सफर परफेक्शन की तरफ घूमते रहते हैं. परफेक्ट होना, ये होना है, वो होना है. But actually, there's an imperfections. Loud गाने, offbeat songs, थोड़ी और मिर्ची लेकर आना. That is what makes it pure. See, that's where the dark is. What will self runs to the folks that do it and wake up soft.
Oh, can I say something emotional? Right, Radhi is still there. I'm not saying pain any yado pe.
So that's what connections are, right? We think that, festivals about we go more outfits, more trauma, as more food. But it's only about connections. And it's truly about less. You reflect that there's less judgment, there is less ego, you can give easily, and you move on. And this is the time we truly take a pause to connect with each other, and that's what I love about it.
True.
You guys met Tanil Kaur success intro. I would like to know so much more about you guys. So Rishika, tell me, since you are a life coach, so obviously you won't be getting so many questions about food and everything with festivals. So, how do you keep a healthy relationship with the food? Because, you don't want to put on weight and at the same time you're very guilty. How do you do that?
Yes, where so many people go wrong because they eat with guilt. That's the energy they eat with. Rather, eat with love. Think that, this is going to serve you. That I can eat my chocolate chip easy way. That it makes me kick. But if you see people like, oh my God, they eat a bite and they're like, this is going to make me fat. So guess what? It's exactly going to do that for you. So that's how you change your relationship by believing different.
Right. Joe, tell me, if you had to, invent a festival, what would that be?
I think I would go to something that's the partition and I would want to do family gatherings that.
Correct.
That's missing, and nowadays you have all the people, all our friends and all our family. So I want to get that.
In reactor, our jawab de jo tumhe jawab diya.
Absolutely correct.
India is all about, not about minimalism, it's all over the top. Which is over the top, drinking, doing everything.
Oh wow. So Steve, you tell me, what is the essence of festivals? What's festival mean to you? See, basically I feel that festivals for me really bring hope, and also a mindset of jaane do yaar, jo bhi hua piche. Let's just forgive and forget, और खाना खाते हैं, coffee पीते हैं. I think festivals are amazing. And we live in a country where we have so many festivals.
True. Since you put us all in spot, it's now your turn. And let's actually, how do you differentiate between that real and real life? Because it's always, being in front of the camera.
Because we have to dress up on camera and we have to dress up in festivals. I love dressing up. I love eating good foods and I love great company. So I feel, celebrating is absolutely amazing.